Coming to you from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico, today is a monumental day for me. I just closed on the highest priced home I have ever flipped. Check it out, $5.1 million. But more importantly, it's the highest profit I have ever made on a single deal, netting over $1 million. Find out all the details coming up.
Go to 8weekacademy.com to claim your free copy of Jerry Norton's most popular training. In it, he reveals his blueprint for making $100,000 per year with real estate.
If this is your first time here, my name is Jerry Norton. I've been a full-time real estate investor now for over 17 years. Amongst other things, I specialize in flipping houses all across the country, and I've helped thousands of new investors get into the game of flipping and create six-figure and even seven-figure incomes. If you want to learn how to flip houses so you can live your dream life, be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. Combined between all of my deals, I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping residential real estate, but this deal is the first deal where I made over $1 million on a single deal. And I'm talking about net profit. This was a new construction flip, and we did it start to finish in 12 months. This was such a fun project, and I did 2 previous videos about this deal. In the first video, I showed how I bought a 1-acre lot with mountain view in a prime location in Paradise Valley, Arizona for approximately $1 million from a wholesaler who I paid $40,000 for bringing me the deal. Then on video 2, I showed how we tore down the existing home so that we could build a new home, and on that video, I explained the demo process. By the way, I created a playlist with all of the videos about this deal. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below and you can check it out later. Since then, we built a 7,000 square foot luxury new construction home. Now I'm gonna cut to a walkthrough clip so that you can see just how amazing this house is, so keep watching. But this house is the nicest house we've ever done. Now the cost to build this house was approximately $2.75 million, and we ended up pre-selling it a few months ago before it was even completed for $5.1 million. And we just passed our final inspection, and the seller closed today. And after buying the lot, the cost of the build, after factoring in financing costs and closing fees and commissions and all of it, we made a almost $1.2 million net profit. Now, as amazing as that is, what's even more amazing is the significance and what that represents for me in my life. You see, 11 years ago in 2010, I wrote down a goal to one day make $1 million on a single deal. At the time, that goal was so unattainable, but I put it in writing and I manifested it. I knew that one day I would do it. Now, at the time, I'd been a full-time flipper for 5 or 6 years, and I was flipping entry-level homes in Metro Detroit. I was pretty good at it, fixing and flipping around 70 to 80 houses a year, while still wholesaling houses at the same time. Now, although I was making a lot of money, I realized that I was too focused on volume, and I wanted to put more effort in learning how to focus on margin and start making bigger profits per deal. To do that, I knew I had to start transitioning into higher priced homes. So I kept doing regular sized deals, but I also started really pushing into the higher priced markets where I can make bigger profits per deal. Now, it took years until I did my first property that sold for $1 million. Then it took years to sell a house for $3 million. And now, 17 years from starting in real estate and 11 years from making that goal, I finally achieved that goal and sold a $5 million house with a $1.2 million profit. Now, what's crazy is that I have 2 more fix and flips that should be over $1 million in profit and another luxury new construction that might be $2 million in profit. So why am I sharing all of this with you? Because I started out broke, living paycheck to paycheck, earning minimum wage, going nowhere in life, and then I discovered flipping houses, and I made the commitment to go all in, and I worked at it day in and day out, and it completely transformed my life, and you can do the same. If you're just starting out or you're still working on that first deal, get my free Quickstart Kit. That will help you get your first deal in the next 30 days. To download that for free, just go to myquickstartkit.com. If you've been in real estate for any length of time and you're struggling to make it a real thing, or you're looking to take it to the next level, be sure to check out my advanced mentor program. Just go to fasttrackwithjerry.com to learn more. All right, so let's cut to a walkthrough video. Come check out how amazing this house is. Efren.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Wow.
You like these, or what do you think? Turn those on. This is like Kevin's special right here. This is a designer.
Those are all little bulbs?
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Ooh. Dude, you got the stone in.
Yeah.
Look at that wall right there.
Yeah, we adding those two today too.
That is
That is
a $50,000 wall right there.
Look at the wall.
Those speakers.
See how the tiles offset? This, look at the speakers right here.
Yeah, you can't really tell.
Speakers.
How tall are you, Jerry? What is this?
5'9", yeah. This is TV. Look at this thing. Fireplace all along here. And this is pretty cool. I mean, it's like off-centered, you know?
It's like a dimensional.
Yeah, like a 3D tile. But man, look how that just built in there with the TV.
Yeah, we
in
probably
there.
tore that up and rebuilt that 5 times to get it right.
Is that gonna get some kind of cover over those speakers, or what goes on
Yes.
those? Yeah. And this is what room?
Well, originally we called it an entertainment room, but we're gonna be like a dining room.
Dining room.
Not now. So this will be his office.
French doors?
Well, this door system right here,
Right here.
will go all the way up. Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that'll take in this whole thing.
But this is an after sale thing. Yeah. So now we've sold it. We close in a week, and he's going to be doing how much?
Well, he's done
spending whatever. on it.
300.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, just the TV and speakers and all that. He upgraded everything about 150 grand.
That's all upgrades that he
It's
wanted.
hard to tell sometimes when you walk in a house what upgrades look like with audio video, but
This is a little unique because we started as a complete spec, meaning no buyer in mind. And the idea was we're going to completely finish it, then put it up for sale. But we didn't. We got, 75% of the way done, got our buyer, pre-sold it, which was tricky because now we got to iron out like what we're doing, what we're not doing.
change orders. that
Oh
kind
yeah, and then now he comes in with all his stuff on top of it. So, but look at this kitchen.
This kitchen to
it's-
really appreciate it.
This kitchen is unreal.
Yeah. This is the biggest kitchen I've ever done.
Look at this kitchen. Look at these islands.
They're 13, 14 foot islands. And there's just 2 of them. When you get right here, you just realize how big this kitchen
It's
really is.
massive because they're all cabinets under here. These are all cabinets.
Now, our original house plans did not have that slider there. So basically the TV will drop down right here. And then we decided to put the fireplace outside. So now this is a sitting area. So if you're hanging out at your island, the TV will drop down. Otherwise we pocketed it back up in there. Yeah. But this is all automated. That one's locked for some reason. Is that locked? No.
You push a button and it'll do
Yes, it's on a track. See that? Here, look up right here. So that cable, that track right there, so you press the button and it opens it up. We're almost done in here. They're doing their final closet touch-ups, our Renee special
all these going in.
$25,000 closets.
Yeah, big island in the middle.
Yep. It's fancy. Washer, dryer, we always put those in.
In the master.
Kind of offset. You got the white with the wood and the
Mirrors.
pretty chandelier and that kind of stuff. So, yeah.
This is what a master closet looks like. You said $25,000 master closet, Bob? Yeah, $25,000 cabinet package. Yeah. So this is, look at your party shower.
Yeah.
And this is cool. The tub is inside the glass shower, and there's no modesty going on here, right? Like you're showering.
Confident guy.
Yeah, if you're confident in your stuff, then you don't. And then here's his Buddha we were telling me about.
Buddha got put in.
So your TV wall. So again, you're sitting. So your bed wall.
We remodified this room.
Where's the
Remember
bed?
this?
Oh yeah, look, there's the fireplace.
Yeah,
So
it's just hidden right
so look right now. I'll tip this up.
now. That stone's really.
Dude, explain how they do this, Bob. They
It's called combing.
yeah.
So they take a piece of granite
This is granite.
And they run it through like a comb. And when they comb through it, it gives it that texture, but it also makes it look way prettier than it really is. This is kind of like standard granite.
Because stand back, it's not tile. It's not like matching pieces or anything.
Real granite. It's just granite.
A granite wall fireplace. So the bed goes where? Right here or right there? Okay, yeah, because you want to get that view.
We wanted that view of Camelback.
And all of these have pockets for your blinds.
Yes.
So electric blinds, push a button, they come down. Yeah, this is
more wine.
Because there's not enough over there.
I need more.
This is your second kitchen.
Yep. The dirty kitchen, whatever.
And that would count as pantry too?
Yeah, but there's another pantry right here. So lots and lots of storage in this house. We kind of wanted to make it feel like a finished kitchen area when you're coming off the hallway and out of the garage.
Yeah, because you see it.
Yep. Laundry.
It's cool how you tiled the whole wall.
Gives it a little bit of dimension and texture up above and stuff.
This tile, subway tile all the way up. Sink in here. This is nice. Yeah, huge.
It was a little too crampy to put an island.
Oh.
It's big. It's almost like it's a little. We put these art lights.
Oh, that's cool. They'll point at his stuff on the walls. Yeah.
Yeah, those are kind of cool. Bedroom.
I love the height though. The black doors look so sharp.
It dresses it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Gives it a little bit of dressiness and.
So each bedroom has an ensuite bath.
Yep.
Walk-in closets.
Yep.
And there's how many? 3 or 4?
Well, I guess you could count this room down here as another bedroom.
So here's number 2, another ensuite. Walk-in closet, another ensuite bathroom. And then this could be a casita, Bob?
No, he's going to use this as a workout room. There's also a casita.
Yeah.
We'll go over and look at that.
Yeah.
So another closet, so this could be another bedroom. He's going to workout room though.
But this could be another big bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We tried to almost kind of make this like a flex room that's like a game room / bedroom.
I love it.
What he loves about it is sitting there just looking right out the pool.
Yeah, it's going to be sick.
Those are floating steps.
This all has those misters. So you can, when it's hot, you can create the misters. Big sliders. This thing has sliders everywhere.
We kind of retweaked all that over there to where he wanted an extra fire pit underneath the window.
Okay.
So another fire pit sitting area, which is kind of cool. Barbecue. It's been an ongoing relationship with that barbecue of ours, but it's cool because now you can do drop-in smokers. And I don't know if you have a smoker, but those smokers are amazing.
And it's right off the kitchen right there, so you can kind of pop out right there.
And there's a pool bath here, which most people forget about. So it's kind of nice if you got guests or whatever. You got a pool, shower, and bath in here.
I love all the different tile in every bathroom. It's like a different tile design. Now you said he wants to do a golf thing out here, right?
Oh yeah, he wants to spend 150 grand putting in a golf
putting green, and stuff.
Tennis court.
Right there.
Yeah, all right here, but that's extra later. And then we decided to pop this out and do all this stone so it gives it a great accent piece to it.
And you're like straight on, you know? Like look at that this way, boom.
Yeah, it's an awesome pool. It's an awesome pool.
And just the whole symmetry worked out really well.
It did.
You know, sometimes it's hard to get that right.
Yeah.
How it's all.
This is going to be a great portfolio house, though. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. So you can see coming in from the front courtyard, you could make a turn right here, and then you come into this separate guest house casita. Yeah, he's got his TV in, his kitchenette. What's this? Bathroom.
Pretty sure I got a. Yeah, we got a washer dryer right here.
Washer and dryer, and this is like a closet then.
Yeah.
In here? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Washer dryer. So this is cool. So this, for us, this is a big milestone because it's like the home run of all home run deals. And what's fun is we've got now 3 other ones that are.
Yeah, and there's a lot of criticism on coming down at the end of the road back here. I saw the vision of that mountain, but getting here, you went through that too, where you're kind of like, okay, what's back here? So, but once you get back here and you kind of realize it and kind of put that together.
What's crazy is to think how much has changed. I mean, we bought this lot for under $1 million.
Mm-hmm.
What would this lot sell for today?
1.7 to 1.9, maybe 2 million. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, make sure we do some follow-up on this one. All right.
Yep.
Awesome.
Especially
Thanks, Bob.
that big flag.
Thanks for joining us,
Thank
guys.
you.
Fun to do. This was what, a 5.1 million sale?
Yeah.
5.1 ended up being on the price on this. So,
cracking 5.
dude, busted the 5 million price point. $5 million house.
Done a lot of 4s, but it's good to do a 5. So.
And this was, what would this house be in California? 12, 15?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's that
so
kind
it
of
seems
house.
like a deal.
It's a deal.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Cool. We'll see you on the next video.
Thanks.